Hi, this project title is Brain Tumor Detection and objectives to detect brain tumor from MRI images using the latest Euro V10 object detection model. We use tools and libraries such as Euro V10, RoboFlow, Gradio, and also Python, which is programming language, and its framework OpenCV. Also library Matplotlib for data visualization. Now we model and library installation. First step is library installations. Install YOLO V10 from GitHub. Edit RoboFlow and Gradio for dataset access for formatted and front end. After it, we download YOLO V10 and nano version, waits for training. After that, we trained YOLO V10 on brain tumor MRI images, set training for 25 epochs, customizable, and after that you train the model. Till now we get partial success such as data set downloaded and partially trained, images loaded and visualized using Matplotlib. Some predictions result were shown. Created an interactive Gradio app interface, though it may not have worked perfectly. We show these errors, but we solve in future. And in this cell we import images of brain tumor and upload, and now we show again error. We solve in this future, and after that we launch app with the help of OpenCV framework and Gradio library, but it not work properly. Now what I learned: how to integrate YOLO V10 into a real world application using RoboFlow API to manage dataset, creating a front-end app using Gradio, debugging model paths, configurations and prediction pipeline. Future improvements: debug and correct the YOLO V10 class usage or switch to YOLO V8 for stability, fix dataset and path, improve front-end interface, add evaluation metrics. Okay, thank you so much for your time.